Hey, what's up, everybody? It's your brother Mike Profit, man. Back again with another video as usual, man. Giving you all the good content, man. If you're new to the channel, make sure you go like, share, subscribe to the channel. Also, make sure you hit that notification bell so you can be notified every time I post a video. What we doing today, man? We are cutting the intake box. It is very, very restrictive. Eventually, I'm gonna replace it because there's just so many restrictions. You have this piece right here that's restricted, and then you also have this piece. It's just so many airflows. You have two little other air vents pretty much, or air ducts right here, and it's like, why? And then you have this little hole that is sucking out of like a little straw, and there's nothing there. There's no kind of wind getting into it. I don't understand. There's not really cold air getting into it. I'm surprised it's even getting air out of this little tube. So if you know me, once again, I'm gonna end up replacing this with actual cold air intake. I don't really like using cold air intakes, but I'm gonna have to. It's too restrictive. It's way too restrictive. That's way too much. Oh, okay. So all I did was use a 10mm, or I'm sorry, 11mm hex socket. Pull the little things out, which are right here. Boom, boom. There, and then unplug the mass airflow sensor, and then also you just need to take that off, and that's pretty much it. Yep, that came right off. I'm not gonna replace this because I'm gonna get a cold air intake, but it looks like the charger one in a way as well. It's a big ass bug in there. So this is the intake or the air filter. It's in decent shape. These take a while to get bad. But what we got to do, we got to just cut the bottom of this intake box, man. That's literally pretty much it. Make a little hole. So we just want to make sure. So if you have a town car, I recommend that you do this if you don't plan on using the cold air intake. But I just make sure, pretty much I'm probably cut like right here, so I can get some air from right on that side, from like that side, because you have like actual space. And yeah, that's probably where I'm gonna cut at. It's gonna breathe a lot better than this little ass straw that it's breathing out of. So let's get into the video, man.
The heroes. The heroes.
So that's how you make a cold air intake, the ghetto way, or you can say the right way instead of wasting money. It's a cheap version of it, I guess. But I'm not sure the difference. I forgot to actually record it when I had it stock. So it does sound a little different. It is noticeable. You should notice it as well if you do the same thing that I did. But it's your brother Money Profit, man. Let me know what you think down in the comment section below.